If you run a retail store in New Zealand and you order products from Hasbro, this video is for you. I've got an invoice here, an example of an invoice from Hasbro. To load that into our point of sale system, we've got some great tools to make it really easy. I can just go to my main screen here and I can go to stock and invoice arrivals. Now, some suppliers you may need to key the information in manually for whatever reason. Hasbro, with their invoice being incredibly neat with barcodes and everything on it, you can use our AI import feature to load that in. So I can go to select here and I can choose my invoice. I'm going to choose Hasbro. I can see my invoice there on the left, so I can have a quick scan of that to check what's on there if I want to. And then from there, I can just hit analyze. Our system then uses AI to read what information is on that invoice, and it will allow you to populate that into our system very easily. So firstly, it's saying it can't find the supplier. I've never loaded an invoice from Hasbro, so I'm going to say, yep, let's create them as a new one. It's automatically put the supplier's details in there because it found it in the header info on that invoice. Now, the main thing I want to set is I want to set a default department for it. So I want these to be loaded into games. And if all of the games from Hasbro were generally in one category, I could also pre-select that. But I'm just going to put them into games as a department, and then I can set my category manually from there. So I can hit finish. That's then to take the information off of this invoice and pre-populate it on the right here. I'm just going to resize that so I can see all of those products. I've got all my cost and sell information there. It's got my quantities and my total down the bottom. I can match that off. Now I can still change any of this. So if I wanted to change this to be, get rid of, I'm just going to say single can. So if I wanted to change descriptions, I still can. I can still change departments and categories. I can go through and set my pricing. So I might want, let's go retail. Let's make this one $49.95. So I can still make those kind of changes before I load it in. From there, I can either click plus on each item manually to add it into my database, or I can say item tools and I can say add all into my system. That will add those products in. From there, I can just hit save to arrivals. That'll load that invoice in, update my quantity, and I've received that in. So loading an invoice, in this situation, I've got 11 products on that transaction, but even if I had 100, I could have that processed in a couple of minutes. Incredibly quick and easy. If you're an existing customer and you have any questions on that, by all means reach out to our help desk team and we can assist you. If you're looking at putting a point of sale system in, feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'd be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.